Repository number 1. KTech/OpenSora. This repository OpenSora, democratizing efficient video production for all. Here's a brief overview. Repository KTech/OpenSora description. OpenSora, democratizing efficient video production for all by embracing open source principles. OpenSora not only democratizes access to advanced video generation techniques, but also offers a streamlined and user-friendly platform that simplifies the complexities of video generation. Repository number 2. OpenAI/OpenAI This repository the official Python library for the OpenAI API. Here's a brief overview. Repository OpenAI/OpenAI description. The official Python library for the OpenAI API. The library includes type definitions for all request perms and response fields, and offers both synchronous and asynchronous clients powered by HTTPX. Repository number 3. Microsoft/RD Agent. This repository research and development, R&D, is crucial for the enhancement of industrial productivity, especially in the AI era, where the core aspects of R&D are mainly focused on data and models. We are committed to automating these high-value generic R&D processes through our open-source R&D automation tool RD Agent, which lets AI drive data-driven AI. Here's a brief overview. Repository Microsoft/RD Agent description. Research and development, R&D, is crucial for the enhancement of industrial productivity, especially in the AI era, where the core aspects of R&D are mainly focused on data and models. README highlights. Desktop computer live, demo movie camera demo video, play button YouTube, open book documentation page with curl, papers newspaper news rolled up newspaper, news memo description, Kaggle scenario release, we release Kaggle agent. Try the new features.